situation in financial markets seems to be stabilizing after quite volatile price moves. Thus, oil traders continue to assess the market prospects for this. Speaking of supply-side factors, the U.S. Energy Department confirmed a drawdown in both crude oil inventories and gasoline stocks. However, the market shrugged off the news with the oil remaining at around $80 per barrel. Apparently, the asset will keep trading in the range of $78 to $82 per barrel, periodically shifting from one boundary to another. It's difficult to predict how long it will last, especially given that oil spent more than 2 months in the previous sideways range. True, it was far broader, so it's unlikely to stay range-bound for long. The only question is where the market will move next. Judging by the dynamics of the U.S. crude stockpiles, the most likely scenario suggests a continued rally. Likewise, gold has been drifting at around $1,980 per ounce for days now. While the medium-term outlook for oil is rather upbeat, that for the precious metal is somewhat different. To confirm a shift in market sentiment from a bearish to bullish, the quote needs to consolidate above the important level of $2,000. In this case, the volume of long positions will increase, driving the quote up to a new all-time high. However, there are no signs of a trend change from a technical point of view. Thus, gold may well retreat from the psychological level and head for the support level of 1,900. With the fundamental factors in mind, it can be assumed that the metal will inevitably move slowly toward 1,900 per ounce. Even if major central banks pause rate hikes, they will hardly begin cutting them, at least for this year. As for the ruble, things remain unchanged. Traders are awaiting tomorrow's meeting of Russia's central bank and its follow-up report on their balance of payments. Until then, the market is likely to stand still. If the report shows a surplus, the dollar is expected to dive to 85 rubles. If the current account of Russia's balance of payments turns negative, the greenback will instantly rise to the level of 95 rubles per dollar. And that's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you in our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.